Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you fixed asset parameters. It is a very important module. First is general tab, in which you can set the minimum depreciation amount, consider capitalization threshold, then capitalization threshold, then here number of book per journal, acquisition depreciation, summary depreciation proposal. Then fixed asset proposal related parameters are there, in which you can set posting layers, journal names, and then accounting rules, posting profile, inventory journal default book, deduct cash discount, then barcode related setups. After that, purchase orders related setups, then reason code, requirement for transaction not required, and required you can select, then number sequence, fixed asset number, fixed asset transfer. These are the number sequence you can set here. Then maintenance tab, in which functional location you can set. These are the small things which I have shown in this video. I hope you will like, share and subscribe.